Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Enlight Cooking. Today you will know how to make roti, each step by step the whole process I will show you, and we are going to make three types of roti, that is roti, fulka roti and chapati. So for starting the recipe, first we need to prepare the dough. We are using here 2 glasses of wheat flour and 1 glass of water. If you want you can add salt and oil, but I am not using here because I prefer not to use that. If you want you can. So now let's start preparing dough. Let's add a half cup of water first into the flour and let's start preparing dough. Mix the water properly. Don't add water at once. Add water little by little and gradually. Once the flour soaks the water, add little water again and bind together. As you can see, the flour is being started to bind together and it has taken the shape form of dough. Now properly it is in the dough form, so water is not required here. Now we are going to knead it for 2 minutes. As much as you need, that much soft dough you will get, and that much soft roti and fulka you can make. If you want you can also add salt and oil. You can see that the dough is still not soft and has cracks, so adding few drops of water to make the dough smooth, and we are kneading it for a minute again. So you can see the dough is smooth and soft now. So friends, now our dough is full ready. So we are leaving it for 15 minutes by closing it with a kitchen towel or some plates. I am leaving it for 15 minutes. If you want you can use it immediately for making rotis, but I am leaving it. After 15 to 20 minutes I am taking it again, and if you can see how much soft it has become. So after 15 minutes we are going to knead it for few seconds again. Take the small portion of dough and roll it into a ball, because now we are going to make the rotis. So dust it in a plain flour. So guys, I will say you 2 ways to make the round chapatis. This is the first way, that is just rolling and making it into a ball. Now roll it with rolling pin. Now roll it by giving less pressure to rolling pin and simply rolling it in clockwise direction. If you roll it with giving less pressure to rolling pin in clockwise direction, you can make the round shaped chapatis. And also guys, while making this, ensure that its thickness is not more or less. It should be medium thickness. This is the second way I am going to show now. Making it in small puris form as I am making here right now, and moving in the same clockwise direction, giving less pressure to it. Okay guys, roll it again into chapati like this, and the thickness should be medium size. Now we are making all rotis and chapatis in the same way. Dusting the plain flour little is good, because if you dust more plain flour, the rotis or chapatis will become dry and hard after you cook that. Okay guys, so now I showed how to roll rotis and showed that process. Now let's go to cooking process, and first we'll see roti process. First, turn on flame and heat the tawa on high flame. After it's get heated, place roti on tawa. Cook 3 to 4 seconds. After cooking 3 to 4 seconds, flip the roti or chapati and then cook the other side properly. Also do checking it in seconds guys, just by simply flipping it. And if you guys feel that the tawa is so hot, you can turn the flame to medium and cook. Now take a cotton kitchen towel in your hand or any other cotton cloth. Once it gets properly cooked from the bottom side, flip it and press the edges with the cotton towel, and if you can see, it started to fluff and swell. Again, just flip it and do the same process. Cook it and press the edges with the cotton towel. Now our beautiful fluffy roti is ready here. So now we saw how to make roti. So let's go to the next process, that is fulka roti. In fulka process, if the tawa is too hot, reduce to medium flame, place the rolled roti on it and flip after 3 to 4 seconds. After flipping it, cook the other side properly. And guys, fulka roti can be made by two processes. One is cooking it in a roti stand and the other one is placing the roti directly to the gas stove flame. So here I will show you placing it directly on the gas stove and preparing it. So once it gets properly cooked from the bottom side, now what you have to do is remove the half cooked roti from the tawa and place the roti directly on the gas stove flame. So if you see, after placing it on the flame, it becomes fluffy. So here is the process of making fulka roti, guys. If you like, you can make the same process in roti stand also. So here we saw how to make fulka roti. Now let's go to chapati process. If we see, roti and chapati both are same. The only difference is if you apply oil in it, it becomes chapati in Maharashtra. Now reduce the flame if high, place the rolled roti and cook for 3 to 4 seconds. And flip it. After flipping it, keep the oil beside, or if you want ghee, you can use ghee also. Apply the ghee or oil on the chapati. After applying it, flip the chapati and apply the oil on the other side also. After applying this, cook the chapati from both the sides. So this is the process of chapati, guys. This is a very simple process and you can make this and give to your children in their lunch boxes for their lunch also. So by flipping it 1 to 2 times, your chapati will get ready, guys. So in this video I showed you a step-by-step process from the beginning to the end, that is from dough making to rolling roti till the cooking of your roti. I showed each and every process step by step. If you all guys liked my video, please do like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. If you have any queries also, you can ask me in comment section also. And please do support, guys. Now our chapati is ready. So these are the 3 types of roti which we made today, that is roti, fulka roti and chapati. So thanks for watching, guys, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos.